Hello friends, I'm Pawnath and welcome back to my channel. So in this episode, I'm going to tell you guys how to draw realistic looking eye just using a ballpoint pen. So as you must know, drawing with ballpoint is very difficult. Especially when you are trying to draw something realistic with ballpoint pen, it seems literally impossible to draw with ballpoint pen. So in this episode, I'm going to tell you some basic tricks and tips to draw hyper-realistic drawings with ballpoint pen. So at first I'm drawing outline of eye, and here I'm using a reference image. So I'm basically using mechanical pencil and drawing a rough sketch of eye. So here I'm using big brand ballpoint pen for drawing of this eye. The one advantage I noticed while using these pen is that they don't leave smears of ink or excess ink at one place, because this always used to ruin my pen drawings. So I'm starting with lightly shading from one end and leaving the highlighted parts as it is. One tip that I would like to share with you guys is that while you are drawing the outline, try to draw each and every details at that time, even the small ones, because once you are going to shade the drawing, it will be really hard for you to get every detail. So if you want to get hyper realistic result, try to shade all parts of drawing, even the ones which you think are completely white, like eyeballs. So I am shading eyeball also, but I am applying very little pressure because I need very light shading here. And to add shadows, I am drawing one more layer of shading. So for drawing people, I am completely covering the area with ball pen and also applying more pressure because this is the darkest part of my drawing, so I need it to look more dark and intense so that I will get that contrast, which is really important for hyperrealistic drawings. Also, I am using more pressure on perimeter of iris because this part is dark too. Now for drawing texture in iris, you will have to be extra careful and carefully observe your reference image because iris have so many small details, so you have to draw it more carefully. Now for smooth result, you can even smudge the shading. It will fill up all the remaining pores which are left behind while you were shading. For this you don't need any extra special tool, your finger is enough for that. Just smudge the shading with your finger and it will make your shading more smoother. While drawing iris, always remember to draw the reflection of light in iris. It is one of the most important part of drawing realistic eye. Also, I am drawing the reflection of eyelashes to make it look more realistic. So if you are wondering how I am doing light and smooth shading with a pen, then let me zoom in the process for you. So as you can see, I am drawing straight lines which are super close to each other, and that's why it's looking smooth. Just don't shade in random directions, shade lightly towards only in one direction, then you will get a smooth result. So here I need some highlighted parts. So for this I am shading the remaining area and left out the highlighted area. Now with the same ballpoint pen I am drawing the eyelashes also. For drawing realistic eyelashes, keep in mind the direction of eyelashes because the direction is very important while drawing realistic eyelashes. So that's it for today friends. I hope you will like this video, and if you do then please give it a like and write down your thoughts on comment section. And also if you are new to my channel then please consider subscribing my channel also. Thank you so much friends for watching.